Hello everyone, welcome back to EngliTales. My name is Simran Mehtani and in this video, we will be learning how to use no sooner than in a sentence. We will first have a look at 2 example sentences and then we will have 5 sentences for practice. Let's get started with the first one. As soon as he comes home, he rests. This is the given sentence and in the brackets, you will be asked to use no sooner than. This will be your given sentence in the question paper. What you have to do is, as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Not the word than, okay? Only no sooner. These are the words that you have to replace as soon as with. No sooner he comes home. This is the remaining sentence. Okay, remaining first half of the sentence. Now, after no sooner, you have to write a verb over here. So, verb is the word comes. But, no sooner comes he home, this will be grammatically wrong. Okay, so here comes this rule into the picture. Do plus come equals to come. This will remain the same. If we write does plus come, it will change to comes. And did plus come will become the past tense of the word come, which is came. Okay, so here we have the word comes. There is an S at the end. So we have the second rule into this sentence. We have to use the second rule. How are we going to use it? Does plus come equals to comes. But this comes is already there in our given sentence. What we have to do is we have to split it into does and come. These two words. Okay. So, after no sooner, we have to use the word does. So, no sooner does and after does, we have to use the subject, which is the word he. So, no sooner does he come. We had divided this word comes into two, does and come. So, does is already used in the sentence. What remains is the word come. So, it will come over here. Does plus subject plus the main verb come. Home will remain home. And instead of the comma, we are going to use the word than. After than are these two words, he rests. They will be as it is. So, the final answer is no sooner does he come home than he rests. This is your final answer. Let us look at the next one. When he comes home, he rests. So, instead of this when, we have to use no sooner. Again, comes will be divided into does and come. These two words. So, does plus come will make comes. So, no sooner does plus subject. Subject is the word he plus main verb. Main verb is come. We have divided comes into two. Does and come. Does is already used. What remains is come. So, come. Home. Instead of the comma, we are using than. He rests. The later half of the sentence, after the comma and after than in the solution, we have to keep it as it is. In most of the cases, it will remain as it is. Let us now have a look at the practice sentences. The first one is, as soon as the wires are joined together, they produce electricity. So, what we are going to do is, as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. I told you, after the word no sooner, we have to immediately write any verb from the sentence. Okay, from the first half of the sentence and not the later half. So here the given verb is are. So no sooner are, then the subject, the wires. So the wires and are, these two will be interchanged. Are the wires. Joined together will be same. And instead of this comma, we will write the word than. They produce electricity. This will also remain the same. So here we have completed our answer. So no sooner are the wires joined together than they produce electricity. As soon as I posted the letter, I went home. This is the next one. So as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. After no sooner, directly we have to write the verb. What is the verb? Verb is posted. Posted is the past tense. I told you did plus come equals to came is the past tense. So posted will be divided into two. What are those two words? Did plus post. Post, which is the first form of the verb, and did, which after we are going to mix these two words, did and post, it will become posted, the past tense. Okay, so no sooner did. So do, does or did, these will be the three words which will come after no sooner in such type of sentences. If the verb is already given in the sentence like this one, we are just going to interchange the verb and the subject. Here we will write no sooner did plus subject. Subject is the word I over here. Did I post? Why? Because we have divided posted into two. Did and post. We have already used did in the sentence. What remains is post. So no sooner did I post the letter. Instead of this comma, we are writing than I went home. The third one is, as soon as I sit to study, I feel hungry. Oh, this happens to all of us, right? So, as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Sit. Here, after no sooner, directly the verb. So, sit is the verb. Sit will be divided into do and sit. Do plus come equals to come. Do plus go equals to go. And do plus sit equals to sit. The same word. So, no sooner do I sit. Do plus subject. This is the subject. And the next main verb sit. So, do I sit to study. Instead of the comma, than I feel hungry. This is very common, right? So, no sooner do I sit to study than I feel hungry. This is your final answer. The fourth sentence for this topic is, as soon as I solved one problem, another popped up. So, as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. So, first of all, we are going to look at the verb in this sentence. Solved is the verb which will be divided into two. Did plus solve. Okay, why is this so? Solved is the past tense. Therefore, we will divide it into did plus solve. So, starting the answer now. No sooner did plus subject I. Did I solve one problem? Instead of the comma, you have to use the word than. Another popped up. This will be your final answer. I hope you understood this bifurcation of the verbs. Okay, this is very important for all the English grammar topics. Another one is as soon as I reach home, I will call her. Here the verb is reach. Reach is the first form of the verb, which will not be changed after even the bifurcation. The bifurcation will be do plus reach. It will remain reach, as in this case. So as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Do plus reach. Do will be the first word over here. Do, no sooner do, plus subject I, plus main verb reach. Next word home. Instead of the comma, than. I will call her. This will remain the same. No sooner do I reach home than I will call her. That's all I had for you today in this video. Please subscribe to EngliTales and press the bell icon next to it to never miss a notification from my channel. You can also check out other interesting videos on English grammar, idioms and English literature on my channel. You have all the links in the description box below, and also some of them are pasted over here. I'll see you soon again.